Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another Inspirational Moments with me, Joy. I hope you're having a great day, a great evening, great morning, whatever the case may be. I hope that you're enjoying yourself. I'm here to bring you a little bit of inspiration from my book, Quotes That Make You Say Oh, From Instagram to Your Hand. Hit the link down below and grab a copy for you, your friends, your loved ones, and for anyone else who may be bored during this season. I'm going to flip through with my left hand and see what we find. If I find that I've read this one, a quote already, then I'll just read it and then flip through again. So here we go. Oh, snap. For some people, life is just a game because they've been played longer than you can imagine. For some people, life is just a game because they've been played longer than you can imagine. So I've already done that before, so let's see. Oh, want freedom? Unplug. Simple. Want freedom? Unplug. So that it's kind of self-explanatory, but let's talk about it. Comment below and let me know what you think. Pretty much, if you haven't already done so, true freedom is of the mind, the body, and the spirit, and the soul. And if you've not been connected with either of those, then it's time for you to unplug. Turn off the distractions, i.e. our devices, and become one with yourself. Become whole. You may think that it's a little weird, but isn't it weird just to do everything that everybody tells you to do all the time, even though you know that's not the right thing for you to do in the path that you're supposed to go on? So what's weird? What is more weird? To be on a path that everybody else is on, or to actually be comfortable and to live in your purpose? So if you really truly want freedom, consider unplugging. And then come back, blend in a little bit, but unplug. Get to know you. Get to know your purpose. Become one. Become whole. Enjoy humanity. Enjoy nature. See what life is worth, not only from your physical eye, but from your other eye. Comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video if it was of anything that made you think. And don't forget to catch me every single night between 7 and 9 for episodes of Hello World, where we talk about everything and anything. Consider unplugging if you haven't already done so. And if you have, revisit and unplug often so you can stay and continue to be whole. Until we meet again, my name is Joy. Grab my book, link down below, or the website, btdllc.com. Share the information. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.